Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Drea from Crochet. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. All right, let's get into it. So today we will be doing a tutorial on these cute beanies for the fall and winter season. As you know, we are approaching that very quickly, my absolute favorite time of the year. So I will be using this Craft Smart ombre yarn in these cute fall colors. Of course, my 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, and this needle, okay, for the end where we have to sew in our ends. You don't need this. You could use your hook as well, but I'm going to choose this option today. All right, so let's go. Y'all, the devil is busy. Why would I go get something to drink and spill the whole drink on my shirt? That's neither here nor there, but okay. Of course, we're starting with our slip knot on our hook. Okay, we are going to chain up 45 chains to get started. Okay, so here's 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry, push pause. We're going to chain up 45 plus 1, so 46. Okay, 46 for turning. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and so on. I'll be back. Okay, guys, I have my 46 chains. All right, and I am going to half double crochet into the second chain from the hook. So we're going to skip the first and we're going to go right into the second with a half double crochet. All right, and we're going to half double crochet all the way across this row until we get to the end. All right, very simple. All my people know how to do this already. Okay guys, so I'm approaching the end of row 1, my row of half double crochet into every stitch. All right, we're going to make sure we take this all the way to the last stitch, and we're going to chain up 1, 2, turn our work, and we will be working this row the same exact way, except we will be working into our back loops only, guys. All right, so this guy right here, half double crochet into the back loop of every stitch all the way across for row 2, and we're working into our back loops only to give this beanie that knit stitch type of look. You know what I mean? If you do not desire to have your beanie in that kind of stitch, if you just want straight half double crochet stitch, that is absolutely fine. I just like for these beanies to have that you know, knit kind of look to it. Okay, so like this. All right, so we're going to continue row 2, half double crochet across, working into our back loop of our stitch only, and I will be back at the end, guys. Okay guys, I am chaining up 2 at the end of my row, turning my work. That is row 1 and 2, half double crochet done, and I am going to repeat this step of half double crochet into the back loop onto my 3rd row all the way up until row 40, guys. And this is for an adult size hat. Yeah, pretty much standard adult size hat. Up to row 40 we are going to do. This is my row 3. We are repeating these steps. There is no need for any extra instruction as of now. You already know how I love a what? Very quick tutorial. Or very simple steps more so. So this is my 3rd row of half double crochet into the back loop of the stitch. I am going to continue this process of half double crochet into every stitch, working into my back loop across from here on until row 40. When we get to our end, of course, we are chaining up 2, turning our work, and continuing, guys. Okay? Very, very simple instructions. I will see you guys at row 40. All right? Be right back. Okay, guys, I have approached the end of my row 40. I am now just going to cut off and show you what I have. All right, I'll show you up and down. This is what I have. This ombre color is really, really cute. It's definitely giving fall, winter vibes. And this is what working into your back loops gets you. You see that stitch, how it looks like it's more so knit and how stretchy it is. Super cool, super cool. Okay, so on to the next stage. So now we are going to take our work, we are going to fold it in half, okay? And we are going to slip stitch this side of our work closed, because we're going to make this tube, which is ultimately the beanie part of the head. Like, it's going to make the head. So we're going to close it long way, and we're going to sew all the way across. And I'm going to be using my needle instead of my hook this time. I was telling y'all, I noticed with these hats, to get like the best flat look, these needles work way better. So let me attach my yarn, which also unravel and tangle, and I had to hurry up and untangle. Like, this tutorial was just a mess. I'm like, why is this happening today? Like, the water threw me, the yarn just tangling through me, but we're here and we're almost done. So, all right, so I've attached my yarn to my needle. We're doing it the same exact way we would pretty much do with our hook. I'm sure you guys know how to use a needle, but we're just going to take this side and this side, pull through, and we're going to weave this in and out through the stitches, okay? All the way across. Make sure you have enough yarn, enough excess yarn, okay, so that you can do this. We're just weaving it in and out to sew it, okay? Like I said, make sure you have excess yarn. I'm more than sure I have enough. And we're going in and out, and we're going to just sew this across, okay, guys? Be right back. Okay, guys, so now we have this sewed all the way across, and we created this tube. We're just going to turn it inside out. Okay, so that the seam is in the inside, and you literally can't even find it. Like, it blends in really well. Well, you can't find it, but it blends in really well with the stitches. Okay, guys, the last step of this tutorial to close this head in is we are stringing up our needle once again and literally weaving it in and out of these holes that we made at the top of our head. Like, you see how I did that? Just weaving it in and out with our excess yarn. Find a hole, stick through, pull back through, stick through, pull back through. We're just weaving it in and out so that we can draw it up. In, out, in, out, in, out, all the way around. All right? All right. Okay, guys, I have drawn my needle through every little stitch around, and now the last part of this is literally taking your yarn and drawing the top of the head together so that it closes. It's like a little drawstring bag. Isn't that cool? Okay, so this is what you should have. You should be able to draw it in, and then I'm just going to tie my 2 strings together. really tight. Like when I tie, I like to pull really tight to get this inside even tighter. All right. And then I'm just gonna cut off. And voila, guys, look what we have. Look what we have, look what we have. We have a hat. And now all we're gonna do is fold the bottom. Let me get these ends together right quick. Philly, oh my gosh, my pet's been driving me crazy today. Yes, my dog's name is Philly. My cat's name is Iverson. You can tell where we're from. Philly, okay? We are a Philly family. But yes, all right. So you fold the bottom up, and here is your beanie. It is so cute. And these are definitely the fall vibes that I was looking for when it came to this ombre yarn. I love the turnout. Let me try it on for y'all right quick. I'm gonna try it on. And boom, 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 boom. She cute. Right? Love it, love it. Super warm, guys. Super warm, super stretchy. I love, like, I guess with the amount of stitches I did, and I have braids too, so that's why it's like really tight. But even when I don't have the braid, it's like, I mean the braids, it's like super tight, super snug, like really warm, really heavy. And this is such a dope piece for such an easy and quick tutorial. Okay, guys, so per usual, thank you so much for watching and tuning into my tutorials and my shorts and everything. We're continuing to grow here. I'm loving it. I'm super appreciative. Like I say in all my videos, if it's something that you want me to do, if you need, or if you want to give me any feedback, any constructive, and a keyword constructive criticism, don't come in here spewing hate on my page. I will not have it. Thank God so far everyone has come to me with love. I'm a very peaceful person until I'm not. But yes, constructive criticism is key. I love it. Give it to me. I want to know what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn. I'm still learning, so as I learn, I will spew it back out to you. So yes, thank you so much for this growing, continuing, supporting me. And hello, dope is Beanie. That's it. Over and out until next time, y'all.